Today we will discuss mechanical measurement. It comprises of two words, mechanical and measurement. Measurement is an act of comparison. Measurement is an art of comparing things. Comparison between the two quantities. Between the two quantities. Two quantities. But it never says a quantitative measurement. It's just a comparison. Simple measurement is just a comparison. But whenever we are having the quantitative measurement, then this comes under the mechanical measurement. So it is a quantitative comparison of the physical quantities. Quantitative comparison of physical quantities where one is known and other is unknown. For example, we are measuring the mass using pan balance. Where in that case, the weight which is standard and that is known to us, and we are comparing that standard weight with respect to the commodity. So here this is a known, that is reference, and this is and the value to be determined. So here we are doing the act of comparing the two different quantities which are functionally same, but one is a acceptable one and other is compared. To do this act, we require a system. So the system, how we can define the system? System is a combination or set of various components which are dependent on each other. Or they have relationship. So when we make a set of a combination of various components which have the interrelationship, then they are termed as a system. Now mechanical system, measurement system, is a set of devices or components which perform the comparison operation to determine the value or quantity or amplitude of the particular physical quantity. Now, these system components are categorized into 6 various groups. One is measurement, that is a physical quantity. Second is sensor, used to sense the quantity. Third is variable conversion device, which is used to convert the quantity, also called as transducer. Then variable manipulation element, which is used to do the mathematical operations or modifications in the signals as per requirement. Then data transmission element to transmit the data without loss. And lastly, the final one is the data presentation element to present the readable data output. So these are the 6 components that each and every mechanical measurement system has. If you see the block diagram of measurement system, you will understand how they are having the interrelationship. The first one, that is measurement, which is connected to the variable sensing element, which gets a signal from the measurement and produce a readable signals, which is normally electrical or mechanical. To the variable conversion element, which is nothing but a transducer, where the signals are to be converted into required form, which is sent to the variable data manipulation element. Here the frequency, sometimes frequency has to be amplified. So here we are using the normal op-amp operational amplifier in order to improve the frequency, in order to read the signals. After getting the operation on the available signals, these signals are then transmitted through data transmission element. They are nothing but a wires, connectors, optical connectors. So there are various types of connectors using a interfacing to the display device, that is data presentation element. So display device, either they are plotter or a screen or a recorder. So the function of DP only to display the signals which is being processed by the DME, data manipulation element, and will get the final output at the DPE.